Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome, Sonic fans. In this video, I will help you get started playing Sonic Adventure 2 on your personal computer through Steam. First, you will need to purchase the game from the Steam Store page. Once acquired, simply navigate to your Steam library and click Install. The download size is approximately 2 gigabytes, so it should not take too long. Make sure your system meets the minimum specifications for a smooth experience. To truly enhance your Sonic Adventure 2 experience, consider installing community-made modifications. The SA2 mod loader is highly recommended, offering crucial fixes and features. It allows for proper widescreen support, making the game look fantastic on modern monitors. These fan patches also address several original game bugs, providing a much more stable and enjoyable gameplay experience for everyone. Sonic Adventure 2 on PC works best with a controller. First, connect your gamepad to your computer. Then, open the SA2 mod loader and navigate to its controller configuration options. Here, you can adjust button mappings and sensitivity. For more advanced customization, especially with non-Xbox controllers, Steam's Big Picture mode offers robust remapping tools, ensuring a comfortable and precise gameplay experience. If you encounter any issues, don't worry, solutions are often readily available. First, try verifying the integrity of your game files through Steam. This can fix many common problems. For more specific troubleshooting, the Sonic Adventure 2 modding community forums are an excellent resource, filled with helpful guides and experienced players. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.